Question number 9. A man can row 5 kmph in the still water if the velocity means speed, of the current is 1 kmph, and if it takes him 1 hour to row to a place and come back. How far is the place? How far means we have to find out the distance. How far means we have to find out the distance. First step, speed downstream is equal to 5 plus 1, 6 kmph. Speed downstream is equal to 5 plus 1, 6 kmph. Speed upstream is equal to 5 minus 1, 4 kmph. Speed upstream is equal to 5 minus 1, 4 kmph. How far? That means we have to find out the distance. Distance is equal to speed by time. Distance is equal to speed by time. Distance we don't know. So distance you take it as x. Distance you take it as x. So x by 6 plus x by 4, time taken is 1 hour. X by 6 plus n by 4, time taken is 1 hour. If you simplify this, you will get 2.4. If you simplify this, you will get 2.4. So distance is 2.4 kilometers. How far? That means we have to find out the distance. So answer is 2.4 km. That is multiple choice A. Question number 10. A boat covers a certain distance downstream in 1 hour while it comes back in 1.5 hours. If the speed of the stream is 3 kmph, the speed of the boat in the still water is. So we will assume speed of the boat in the still water as x kmph. We will assume speed of the boat in the still water as x kmph. As x kmph. Question number 10. So speed downstream will be x plus 3. Speed upstream will be x minus 3. Speed downstream will be x plus 3. Speed upstream will be x minus 3. X plus 3 into 1 is equal to x plus 3, 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour. 1.5 convert it into improper fraction, 3 by 2. 1.5 convert into improper fraction, that is 3 by 2. So x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 9 by 2. 2x plus 6 is equal to 3x minus 9. So x is equal to 15. So x is equal to 15. Answer is 15. Question number 11. A motorboat whose speed is 15 kmph in the still water goes 30 kilometers downstream and comes back in a total of 4 hours 30 minutes. The speed of the stream is how many kmph? Question number 11. Speed we will take it as x kmph. Speed we will take it as x kmph. So speed downstream will be 15 plus x. Speed upstream will be 15 minus x. Speed of the stream we take it as x. Downstream will be more. So 15 plus x. Upstream will be less. So 15 minus x. So 30 divided by 15 plus x plus 30 divided by 15 minus x, 4.5 hours. 4.5 hours. 4.5 convert it into improper fraction. 4.5 hours. 4.5 convert it into improper fraction. That is 9 by 2. you are getting very big steps. This much time will not be there in the competitive examination. Competitive exam time is only 1 minute. At the most 1 hour, 1 minute 15 seconds. You are getting so many big steps. So this type of questions may not be asked in the competitive exams. To be on the safe side, all this comes only through systematic practice. Otherwise so much time will be wasted. Cross multiply and all these things. Degree examination 3 hours time will be there. But here time is only 1 minute. So answer is 5 kmph. Question number 12. A boat takes 90 minutes less to travel 36 kilometers downstream than to travel same upstream. If the speed of the boat in the still water is 10 kmph, the speed of the stream is how many kmph? Same pattern. Same pattern. Speed downstream x, speed downstream 10 plus x, speed upstream 10 minus x. 36 by 10 plus x less to travel. So we are subtracting 36 into 10 minus x is equal to time taken is 90 minutes. 90 minutes convert it into improper fraction. 90 minutes convert it into improper fraction. 60 minutes 1 hour. 90 minutes means 1.5 hour. 1.5 mixed number is 3 by 2 improper fraction. Same steps which are in the problem, same steps you follow. You get the answer as 2 km per hour, that is multiple choice A. Question number 13. If a man swims downstream at the rate of 30 kmph and upstream at the rate of 12 kmph, taking 3 hours each time, the speed of the current is. So write down. Speed of the current is half into 30 by 3 minus 18 by 3. 30 minus 18 is 12. 12 by 3 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. So answer is 2 kmph. 30 minus 18 is 12. When the denominators are equal, you can add or subtract the numerator. I told you in the time of fractions. So 30 minus 18 is 12. 12 by 3 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. So answer is 2 km per hour. 14th problem. A man can row 6 kilometers in the still water. It takes him twice as long as to row up as to row down the river. The rate of the stream is how many kilometers per hour? Up rate, you take it as x. Down rate will be 2x. Up rate, you take it as x. Down rate will be 2x. So this is half into 2x plus x is equal to x. 3x by 2 is equal to 6. X is equal to 2 into 6 by 3, that is 4. So up rate is 4, down rate is 8. X value comes to 4. So down rate is 4, up rate is 8. Now rate of the stream is equal to half into x minus y. Rate downstream is equal to half into x minus y. 8 minus 4 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. So answer is 2 km per hour. 15th problem. A man can row 7.5 kilometers in the still water and the river is running at the rate of 1.5 kmph. How far is the place? That means we have to find out the distance. If it takes 15 minutes to row to a place and come back. 15th problem. Distance you take it as x kmph. Distance you take it as x kmph. 7.5 plus 1.5, 9. 7.5 minus 1.5, 6. Totally it is taking 50 minutes. 50 minutes, convert it into hour. Because these two is in hour. kmph, kilometer per hour. That is in minutes. All must be equal denomination. So convert it into hour. The remaining things you can do. The answer is 3 kilometers. How far is the place? How far means we have to find out the distance. So distance is 3 kilometers. 16th question. We have to find out the rate of the string. Up rate you take it as x, down rate will be 2x. So half into x plus y is equal to 7.5. X value comes to 5. Up rate is 5, down rate is 10. Rate of stream is half into 10 minus 5. We have to find out the distance. Distance you take it as x. 9 plus 3, 12. 9 minus 3, 6. This comes to 3. If you simplify this, you get the distance as 12. If you simplify this, you get the distance as 12. So answer is 12 kilometers. That is multiple choice D. 18th problem. There is a road besides a river. Two friends started from a place A, moved to a temple situated at another place B, and then returned to A again. One of them moves on a cycle at the rate of 12 kmph and the other sails on a boat at the rate of 10 kmph. If the river flows at the rate of 4 kmph, which of the two friends will return to the first? Without doing the problem, you can tell the answer, because the speed of the cyclist is more. The speed of the cyclist is more, so definitely he will come first. So answer is A, cyclist.